Lights off, lights off, off. Lights off, door shut, bed up. Everything's secure, cabinet doors closed. Water heater's off, water pump's off, lights are off. Doors closed. Steps are in. Doors locked, handle in. All right, let's go business side. Propane off. Water off. So we're just going to go backwards now. Whenever we do our sewer tank flush, we always black tank first, let that drain, then gray tank, and that'll help wash the hose out. There we go, pop the black tank all the way open. That's done. Then gray tank. That's done. As always, black cap back on. And then right back into the all right, cap back on. That's it, it's in. Cap back on. Don't forget, park fitting comes off. It goes back into the bin. I always take it off on the park side first so you don't get squirt. I kind of like to drain it off a little bit. This carrying case is waterproof on the bottom. This hose, it's a water pressure regulator. It doesn't need to come off. It can stay on there. That keeps really high pressure from the park, destroying any parts of the camper. So that stays on there. Still give you plenty of pressure in the shower. All right, the next thing we're going to do is turn the breaker off, disconnect the power, put the power away. No, breaker's off. 30, and we can stow the stuff back into the basement bin, and we'll work on the leveling jacks and getting it hooked back up to the truck. Great. We have electric, water, and sewer disconnected, put away, stowed in their proper bins. Now we're ready to remove the stabilizer jacks, put the pads away, and get the truck hooked up. Drill's under here. We could start. Quick side note, if we needed to come up more than one block, these pads will locked together to make a ramp. So now you're 2 blocks high. You can land on top of this pad. You're 2 blocks high. Cool little system. Throw it in, but we have one more pad to put back into the bin before we're complete. That the trailer's sitting on. Now we can come over and jack it up to the height that we need to get it back onto the hitch. It's on. Let's get the load bars out. All right, here's the cheat code for this load leveler system. We're hooked up to jack. The tongue weight is all sitting on the bumper right now. If we go back up, starting to pick the truck up and the tongue. You'll see that these bars, same thing on this side. Stainless steel pin comes out, bar slides in. There's 2 holes on this side. You want to put in the closest to the trailer tongue. We're hooked up. 7-pin connector into your tow vehicle. Safety chains on your tow vehicle. Tongue jacks up. We'll get our jack pad out. Stow it. Now before I close up, I still have the 1 pad under the wheel. So I'm going to pull the trailer forward, get it off the pad, put the pad away, go up, do a 360 around the trailer again, make sure all my hatches are down, make sure everything's stowed properly before I head back out on the road. Ass pad's up. Thank you for not leaving it. Back in the bin, drills away, pads away, clamps away. We're going to start battening down the hatches now. One side has a thumb latch on it. Purple key does the door. Silver key does all the outside hatches. That's locked. We're going to double check the door. That's locked. The handrail's locked. The steps are in. Same thing with the outside kitchen. Thumb latch is locked. 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 I'm going to come around the other side. Paying attention that all the jacks are up again. Both caps are on the bumper. Outside showers closed and secured. Spare tire secured. Jacks up. Cap is on. The sewer connection. And again, I like to put my hands on stuff, make sure it's locked, make sure it's secured. Last bin. And silver key. No matter how long I've been doing this, there's a 50-50 shot of getting the key facing the right direction when it's sideways. And like a USB, I fail 50% of the time. But we're secured. The trailer's up, the safety chains are hooked up. 7-pin connectors hooked up. Propane is off. We've done a 360 around the entire camper. We've checked all the hatches are locked and secured. Checked the spare tire. We checked that both caps were on the bumper. so we don't lose our stinky slinky on the way home. Checked our safety chain, checked our 7-pin doors locked. Did a check around the campsite, make sure we didn't forget any camp chairs, any picnic table items, any trash that we may have left behind, because we like to leave no trace before we leave a campground or a campsite, and we're ready to hit the road.